Form field value in Django template. Quick question. I am able to output the value of a form field using, but I cannot seem to check that value in an if statement. Always fails. Any ideas? The field is a Boolean type field. Edit. The answer given below works for some fields. Here is what I'm trying to do. Form field is a Boolean field in a model, using this code in the form. The output is correct, e.g. true or false, when using form.information_request.value, but when I use it in an if statement in the template, it never works.
This URL. The %if% tag evaluates a variable, and if that variable is true, i.e. exists, is not empty, and is not a false Boolean value, the contents of the block are output. For example, to test for falsiness.
If you want the same audio, play attention figure subscribing.